Alright, we're getting ready to clean a, if you watch our channel a lot, very familiar carpet. Show you real quick how dirty it is. I'm just going to show the living room this time. We got really bad lighting outside. It's a cloudy day. It's going to thunderstorm. So I don't know how much this is going to show up. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Watch us clean it up. Alright. We're going to go over this carpet with a microfiber that has scrub strips in it and kind of break the stains up, and then go over it again with cotton. And the reason I'm going over with microfiber first is it's got so much stains in it, so much dirt in it. I want a lot of it absorbed into this microfiber bonnet before I go over the cotton. Otherwise, you'll just fill the cotton up in 15 seconds. This will take a lot of the dirt out. As you can see, if you use microfibers or scrub strips, they do some amazing things very quickly. You want to stand over there? No, I'm not going to be there long enough. We don't put a shovel across. Now you don't have to do it like this, you can just start off with cotton. But if you start off with microfiber, you're going to take out a ton of the soil that will fill your cotton bonnet up real quick when you start. I mean, this will make your cotton bonnets go a lot longer before you have to flip them over or change them out or whatever. You don't even need these pads. We've done this apartment, I don't know, 50 times with just the regular work bonnets, and it cleans up about the same no matter what. So whatever you can get your hands on will probably work fine. Yeah, if you know what you're doing, you can do anything. But this is a good method. A lot of people pre-scrub with a brush or a floor pad, but those things don't absorb. This is where you can pre-scrub and absorb at the same time. So it's better. Okay, I'm gonna put a link in the video description if you want to buy an Oreck Orbiter. They're around $300 right now, and it's a good way to start your own little cleaning business if you want to, side hustle, or even if you just want to clean your own house and have something that's, that works and is effective. It's a pretty easy way to clean carpets. Or if you're looking for a full-time thing to get into. Yeah, and you can learn how to use one of these machines in just a few minutes. They're not hard to learn. A lot of people have bought these machines from us, and they've got full-time carpet cleaning business done. This is all they do, is just what we're doing. Yeah. There's been thousands of people, to be honest with you. You don't have to have any fancy chemicals. Nope. To be honest, the last time we did this, we used an encap, and we come back up here, it's not been quite a month, and it didn't do anything to make a difference, and we followed all the directions. It didn't seem to... Oh no, we pre-vac'd real good, we cleaned, and then we post-vac like you're supposed to do. And it didn't even take a month, and these carpets are filthy again. So okay, now we're going I think if you want to buy that kind of stuff, you can, but you don't have to have it. Nope. Just the regular stuff we've always used works just as good. Sure does. And it is a lot cheaper. The stuff we usually use is a lot cheaper. A lot cheaper. And it's easier. You just go grab some anytime you need it. The stuff we use is a fourth of the price of encap. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with encapping if that's what you want to do. But you don't got an encap. Now these pads and stuff, all you do is throw them in a bucket of, soapy water, something like that. Let them soak for a while, and then rinse them out. Or you can run them through your washing machine, however you want to do it. All right. Now we go over it again with cotton. We do this carpet typically every other month. This time we had to do it a month later instead of 2 months later because, to be honest with you, I think that the stuff we used before, it didn't protect the carpets as good as the stuff we used, so the stains came back faster.
Well, the stuff we use doesn't protect the carpets at all, but they resoiled faster, even though we post-vacuum. They seem like they resoiled a little faster than they did with the other stuff we used, so I don't know. There shouldn't be a residue left behind, but there appears there was. So,
the stuff we use doesn't leave no residue behind. We never have issues where we feel the need to go over it again a month later.
Yeah, but this isn't a typical carpet either. These people are very, very messy.
Very, very messy, yeah.
And they have a pet that goes to the bathroom in the house and they just watch it. They don't care. So, I mean, you can't really, this isn't really a good place to test how good a chemical works because it has no chance of staying clean.
These people put a lot of, they try to self-clean with dish soap and other stuff. They're constantly on their knees trying to scrub stains out to avoid hiring someone like us to come up here and do it. They're wanting to save their money, so there's soap residue all over these carpets, and we're not neutralizing it. They're not paying us enough to do that. They're going to pass an inspection, and that's all they care about, so that's what they're getting. This is an inspection cleaning, and that's the truth.
That's the only reason they ever get their carpets cleaned. They get checked pretty frequently because they live pretty dirty. So the manager usually checks them out about once a month.
And tells them get it fixed.
And they know if they don't have the carpets clean, the manager's going to complain about it.
All over them, yeah.
I think tomorrow they're getting a roach treatment.
Yeah.
And they're concerned that the place looked dirty when the roach guy shows up, because he'll tell the manager that they have a filthy apartment.
And these are really nice people, but they just...
well, there's people in life that are slobs, you know.
When you live like that, you're going to have to spend money to keep up with the damages you cause.
You live by the sword, you die by the sword.
Well, so to speak. But yeah. And there's a ton of permanent stuff that probably don't show on camera, but there's stuff you cannot get out.
Nope.
Like this here looks like a dirty area, but it's a scrape. It's a scrape. And you just can't fix scrapes.
Alright, he's about done.
Let me. The rest of this off camera. It's not that.
Yeah, I'm not going to make a video of the whole place. And it's not going to be perfect. This carpet's about 20 years old, and it should have been replaced 10 years ago. And because they knew the people that were moving in here, they didn't change the carpets out.
They knew the people when they came.
They knew they'd destroy the carpets.
They knew they tore up another complex across town.
Yeah, they got a reputation. They go from place to place and just completely ruin the apartments they live in. So, anyway, that's about all for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And
that's it.
that's all we have today. It's kind of bad weather, and it's right after July 4th, so it's kind of going to be a little slow for a few days. So we're just going to kind of take it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.